Oh.
Baby Jean is growing up before our very eyes.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute, Jean.
So our next stop is Walmart. We're hoping they have a machine that will steam food and then blend it like a baby food maker. Because she's now eating solid food.
Woohoo!
Happy 6 months birthday to baby Jean.
Happy 6 months,
Look at her, she's a young lady. So let's go see if we can find that at Walmart.
So a NutriBullet for Jean, but I got no streamer there. So we're looking for something to steam the food and also to blend it. And Jean's formula is running out, so we're gonna buy some. It's behind the glass, as you can see. I'm not sure which one to get here. Decided to get this one because there's the word organic and it's made in Europe.
European made, it says.
Yeah, it says, I don't know.
Is that good?
I saw it online.
Does that make it better?
And they said that European made formula is better, but I'm not quite sure, so that's why I choose this one.
Give it a shot.
Now we need water for Jean. Should I buy this? For specifically for babies? Actually, the baby water is cheaper, $126 compared to $137 for the adult water. Look, Jean. Look. Mwah! She wants to lick it. So in the kitchen products, we found this Magic Bullet or this Hamilton Beach, which could potentially work for baby's puree.
Hold on, the baby one was 55.
Yes.
How could this one be 20 bucks?
I don't know, Steve. Right?
It looks good, Ivana.
Yeah, it's good.
3 hours later.
I'm going with the mainstay, but it includes 3 tumblers. So, in the same price as the NutriBullet. On second thought, I just saw this warning. So I think I'm gonna switch it again to the Magic Bullet. Alright.
Now, a lot of people ask me, they say, Steve, you look pretty strong and healthy. You must eat a lot of liver. And here's the thing. I don't, because liver's gross. Although, we are gonna prepare some homemade baby food with liver.
That's right, beef liver.
So let's do it.
Alright, so we bought beef liver from Walmart. It was frozen. So I have thawed it. Is it de-thawed?
I think you have thawed it, but everyone says de-thaw, and some people say unthaw. Anyway, it's not frozen.
Anyway, it's not frozen, and I have poured some milk into the strip of liver just because I read that milk will take the strong taste of liver. So I'm not adding any salt or anything because Ginny cannot digest salt yet. She's only 6 months. So let's put it in the pan.
You're gonna fry it.
And we're gonna wait until it's cooked.
There you have it.
Basically.
Hurry up and wait.
Yeah. And I have also prepared some sweet potatoes earlier. Cut it in cubes and just boil it. And later on we're gonna like mix it all together, make some mushy baby food.
Vote in the comments. Will baby Jean like the flavor of liver? Hopefully yes, because nutrient dense.
Yes, that's right. Hopefully yes. Although this is probably her 5th ever food. What I mean by food is she had bananas, she had avocados, she had carrots, celery, turkey. So this one will be the 6th food item that
But
she
so
will
far
have.
she's liked more or less everything.
Yes.
Because my
so
wife's
far.
so good cook. Although the bus smells like frying liver right now, so I'm gonna evacuate.
Oh no.
See you later.
Look,
Woo, the smell, dude.
oh, it's cooking already, Steve. Look at this.
Even from over here.
It smells good, no? The smell is actually good.
Oh no, the smell smell good.
Oh yeah, it's cooking quite fast actually. And it has to be really, really cooked because it's not safe to have a raw meat for babies, especially liver. In the meantime, I'll blend the sweet potatoes. That
Using our
magic bullet.
Now I know what you guys are thinking. How can you power such a high-tech device using only bus batteries? But with an engineer like me, we got 560 amp hours, and I think we'll be more than okay. Because we've never had our batteries less than 60%. So despite the fact we're doing bus life, I think we can make our own baby food.
Nice and smooth, and I'm just gonna put the extra in this. Let me cut the liver now into strips, tiny little strips. Let's see. I think it's cooked, right, Steve?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think so.
I think so. Now, do you want to take a bite?
Ooh, let's do it, Ivana. You and me both. You and me both. Good idea. Good idea.
Okay, okay.
You and me both. Oh gosh. Plug your nose.
Cheers. Will be better with like onion and garlic.
That was not that bad.
And salt.
That was not nearly as bad as I thought.
Yeah, pretty good.
Because it sometimes gets stuck in your teeth, and that's when it's really bad. This was pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
I'll give that at least 2 stars.
Let's blend it. Ooh, almost like pate.
Yeah.
Your face.
Something about it, it just looks so gross to me.
Oops.
The smell is getting stronger. Oh gosh, I feel bad for baby Jean.
No, still grow up strong. Don't feel bad.
Right. I feel good for her for having such a loving mother who cares so much to make her a liver milkshake. It looks like.
I'm making her nutrient-packed food instead of feeding her
French
chips.
fries. Yeah, you got it.
Okay, and the rest, I'm gonna put it here. To freeze.
Oh, look at that. So that's just liver paste.
Yeah, so next
You're gonna
time I can just get
drop
per
it in.
cube.
And then each of those cubes is 1 teaspoon.
Yeah. It's
Boom, got it.
Ta-da!
Dun, 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 dun,
Let's see, Jean.
This is Jean's first food vlog, isn't it? Oh, went right for it.
I don't blame you. Look at her. Yucky.
No, hold on. Give her a chance. Give her a chance.
How is it?
How do you cook the liver?
On a pan.
You just fry it?
Yeah.
Never cooked liver in my life.
It's good, right, Jeannie?
The bus smelled real bad when she was doing it.
Oh, I can imagine. Oh.
You tried it though. It wasn't that bad.
We took a piece each, Ivana and I. Not so bad.
Yum. Jeannie likes it. Right, Jeannie? Yum. Yum.
She's keeping it down. She's not spitting it out and making a face.
So it's liver and sweet potato combo?
Yeah.
1 tablespoon sweet potato, 1 teaspoon liver.
Yum.
I'll tell you what, Ivana, I think this is a success.
Yeah, she likes it. She's not like making faces or anything.
No,
and
she's
she keeps
keeping it
opening
down.
up her mouth.
She does like it.
I really hope baby Jean takes after Ivana in the taste bud department because Ivana enjoys all the food. Whereas my family, I won't say names, but my family have major food phobia.
Hey, listen. We were brought up on boneless, skinless. What do you want?
Boneless, skinless.
So far, there are 3 food that I dislike or hate even: oyster, crawfish, and pickled eggs.
You tried crawfish?
Yeah, I tried it.
Okay.
It was hard to eat.
Will you do a redo
It's too
in Mardi Gras?
crunchy or something.
Ooh, I wouldn't do it.
Yeah, I will try it again. I will try it again. Jean likes it though. Right, Jean? It's good for you.
Great success.
Very nutritious.
Great success. Boom.
The
There you have
more
it.
food she eats, the stinkier her poop will get. That's a fact,
Why
Jack.
would you even say something like that?
Well, because it's true. The more food
Not
she
when
eats-
I'm eating, Nana.
I know.
Now she's eating a brown mush of all things, Mom.
I know. Sorry, Jeannie, but it's the truth.
Maybe now we'll enjoy Alabama. Right here on the coast by the swamp.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, so we drove down this highway which took us right to the beach, and good news everybody, free parking because it's the off season. Now the bad news is, despite the fact that we found a bunch of naturally occurring kiddie pools, which would have been perfect for Jean to float around in, we did not go swimming because it is the off season and the water is very cold. Now, I for one did not realize Alabama had such good quality beaches, because honestly I didn't even realize Alabama has a bit of coastline, which leads to the Gulf of whatever you'd like to call it this week. Now, we also love the fact that there's the beach on one side and there's a bit of a sort of a canal or a river on the other side, so the whole beach is one strip, sort of surrounded by water. Was pretty great, and you can imagine if this place was in peak season, it would be full of people because it's great white sand and green water. It's
Beautiful.
pretty fantastic. Now, we did stop in at the Pink Pony Pub, established in 1956, for a drink, and baby Jean was being super duper cute. So anyway, we've had a couple hours on the beach and we're gonna go back now. And I think Jean's getting hungry.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
And so, baby Jean's next meal will be some eggs that have been blended up on our handy blender and mixed with our sweet potato base. So eggs and sweet potato coming next. Although, as a brief intermission, we're going to show you baby Jean's first haircut. Now, what would you describe her hairstyle is right now? Looks a bit like Justin Bieber, circa 08. She's got the throwback Bieber, but we're gonna give her some fresh duds here. A new do.
Okay, Jenny, how can I do this?
What's the paper for?
Just so her hair doesn't go into her eye.
Oh,
Okay, Jenny, stay still for a bit, okay?
she's playing a permanent game of peekaboo. Oh gosh.
How short?
Not too short. You can always take off more after. Oh, that's a lot. Oh gosh.
This is gonna be like a China doll. Hold on, it's not done. What did you do? It's not
Look what
done.
you've done to our beautiful daughter.
Why did you do that?
Okay, put it. Gee, oh my gosh. I didn't think you'd do that much of the first. I thought it'd be a quarter inch at a time.
It's okay.
Oh my gosh.
Mommy doesn't need to.
Okay, paper.
Hold on, let me make it a little bit, natural.
You doing the feathered look?
Good job, Jeannie.
She's staying perfectly still. I was worried about the scissors near the face, but she is frozen. I think she's in the dark, so she's just thinking she's sleeping or something.
Let's see.
How does it look?
Oh, you look beautiful. Huh? Isn't it?
It should be down over here. Okay. Shorter than I thought, but it's something.
It's okay, I'll grow super fast. I'm sorry, I'm laughing. It looks so cute, Jeannie. So cute. Look at her. Yeah, so cute. How is it? Yeah, you look so cute.
Can I just take a second and look? Because I've only seen it through the camera. Oh, you look like a total sweetie pie.
Right? You look so cute.
It's a bit shorter than I had imagined, Ivana.
Still works. Look, Jeannie. Oh. Still cute, Jeannie.
Maybe trim this one over here too, no?
Yeah. Well, it'll grow in no time. That's the thing.
It'll grow in no time. No, it's not so bad.
It's so cute.
You guys vote in the comments. How did Ivana do? I'm not gonna say it was a 5-star haircut.
How many stars?
Well, I won't be too critical, but I'll just say not 5. She's got a mullet now, Ivana. Oh, you're such a sweetie pie. Give me a hug. Ooh.
So cute.
Mom, we need your professional opinion.
Is Diane sleeping? Oh my! Oh my!
What do you think, Mom?
This was no little trim, was it, Jeannie?
Right to the hairline.
Yeah. Let Nana try next time. There, you look cute, sweetie
You look
pie.
cute, sweetie pie.
You look cute.
It will grow in no
It will
time.
grow in. A couple more
Hey,
days. you
listen,
have
my
some.
mother used to cut my bangs, and I still remember. Now she's so young, she won't remember, but my mother used to keep going up, 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 up until they were even, and I'd have very short bangs.
Right to the hairline.
Well, they won't bother you. They won't go in your eyes anymore. You look cute. You do look cute. I'm just teasing you. She is little. I mean, you don't want them in her eyes.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's funny, though. Ivana!
Look at her face.
All right, Jean's second ever food vlog here
Oh.
with her new hairdo.
Oh, she's excited.
Wait.
This is a bit chunky, huh? Let's see if you like it.
Her hair is so cute. I changed my mind, Ivana. I think I love her hair now.
Yeah.
It's cute.
At
It's
first,
cute.
I thought, what did you do to my beautiful daughter? But now I think, oh my gosh, she looks like a little doll, like you said.
A little China doll.
Yeah.
Does she like the food?
She likes it.
You're not going to be a skinless, boneless, are you?
No, she's Indonesian, at least half.
Yeah.
Ideally, Jean will eat everything because.
Ideally, Jean will eat everything.
But Ivana's side of the family eats everything, so it's in her blood. She's not like us, where it's only,
Boneless, skinless.
like you said, boneless, skinless, chicken
But I
breast.
never grew up eating fish, so I didn't serve it to you guys.
Yeah.
So it's all what you're used to.
Uh huh.
Ivana's used to eating everything, so she's going to serve everything
Fish
to
and
Jean. I would
organs
never
and
serve.
everything.
I never served you beef liver when you were a baby, and I wouldn't do it to this day because I wouldn't eat it myself. Right? So it's just different.
Yeah.
She got some chunky parts. So
Learn how to chew a bit.
she's crushing it, I think, with her gum.
That's good.
Yeah, sometimes she spit it out still.
Yeah, look at that dada. Yeah, dada. Very thoughtful expression on her face.
Is it good, Jean?
How's the wind feel on your hair? Oh, you don't have any anymore. It's a good thing you didn't let her around the back. You want to get around the back.